So how will Open Door avoid what happened to Zillow?
Emily, thanks for having me. I think there's a lot in being purpose built. And when you think about our business, all of what we do is think about how to take that traditional listing process that is so broken and move it online and making it simple and convenient for our home sellers. And that's all of what we do. It's not our side business, it is our business. And we've got 7 years of investment in the team, the data, the modeling, the low cost operating platform to be able to do that repeatedly at scale with a whole lot of growth behind it.
What do you think they did wrong? Why couldn't they get it right?
We're really just focused on how we're executing what we can do right for customers. No one's working harder for customers right now to give them an alternative to the traditional listing process than we are. And core to what we do are those two things I just mentioned. One is pricing. We have robust pricing systems we've been investing in since our inception 7 years ago. And two is having a flexible, low-cost operating platform that lets us do things like acquire 15,000 homes last quarter.
So these 15,000 homes, that's more than 160 homes a day, a lot of homes. I'd love for you to walk us through the logistical challenges of making all of this work, buying, renovating, and selling that many properties. How do you do it?
One of the things we did a couple of years ago that has served us very well is we centralized our operations. And so being able to operate at scale, a lot of that comes with the fact that we have built the automation, built the tooling and the platform to let us be able to do things like repair homes at scale, manage the vendor network, sometimes remotely, bring them onto our platform, let us understand the quality controls we need to have, and be able to do that so that we can not just acquire, but we can sell through homes and realize the kinds of margins we need to manage to.
Now, Bloomberg has reported that more than a quarter of the homes Open Door has sold were acquired by investors. And I'm curious if helping institutional landlords convert owner-occupied homes into rentals, does that resonate with the company's core mission of adding liquidity to the market?
Well, you're right that our core mission is about infusing liquidity into the home market. Our target home buyer is not in the vast majority of who we're selling homes to. A small minority of what we do is sell to institutional buyers because we really view for the average homeowner, we want to make sure that we're putting as much liquidity into the market as possible, again, to make people, give them the ability to buy and sell a home with a lot more ease than they have today. There's a huge inertia to selling, just given how uncertain and tough and time consuming and stressful the traditional home selling and buying process is.
How big a share of the market do you think iBuying can become?
Today, when we get a seller with high intent, someone who really wants to sell their home, say within the next couple of months, well over a third of those buyers, when they come to us, accept our offer. And that number has ticked up consistently quarter over quarter. So you think about over time, our ability to be nationwide, be able to offer on more and more homes as we increase what we call our buy box, which is the surface area we cover in a given market. And you think about that conversion rate north of 35%, and we can be a huge portion of the real estate market over time.